In today's video, I'll show you how to duplicate a form in Typeform step by step. If you want to reuse an existing form instead of building everything from scratch, duplication is the fastest way to save time and keep your structure consistent. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace where all your forms are listed. You'll see all your existing projects displayed on the dashboard. Now find the form you want to duplicate. Once you locate it, look for the Options menu, usually shown as 3 dots next to the form name. Click on those 3 dots to open more settings. From the list of options, select Duplicate. As soon as you click Duplicate, Typeform will automatically create a copy of your form. This new version will include all your questions, logic, design, and settings from the original form. The duplicated form will appear in your workspace as a separate file, and you can rename it to keep things organized. Next, open the duplicated form so you can make changes. This is where you can edit questions, update branding, or adjust settings without affecting the original form. This is especially useful if you want to create different versions of a survey, contact form, or registration form without starting over each time. You can also modify themes, add new questions, or change logic rules depending on your new use case. Before sharing your duplicated form, always preview it to make sure everything is working correctly and looks clean on both mobile and desktop. Once you're happy with it, click Publish and start using your new form immediately. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a form in Typeform and created a ready-to-use copy in just a few clicks. And that's how you duplicate a form in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.